She's sick.
Okay, just Della.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the leader, please. Praying start.
All of you, please stand up. Before we start the lesson, we pray together. Pray start. Praying finish. Sit down, please.
Okay, down please. Okay, I want to ask you guys. Miss mau tanya nih satu-satu. How's your day today? Bagaimana dengan harimu hari ini? What do you feel, Karen?
Okay, Miss, I feel this day is so much very amazing because in this day I start a moment, a new moment, and a new day. I'm very happy and amazing day.
Okay, Karen feel happy. How about you? What do you feel? Apa yang kamu rasakan hari ini? Apa kamu senang, sedih, atau bagaimana? Coba. Happy. Okay. All of you guys happy?
Yes.
Okay, before we continue the material, I will ask you guys one by one. Do you see these pictures?
Yes.
What do you think of these pictures? What you see in these pictures? Coba si Putri. Putri, apa yang kamu lihat di pictures ini, nak? Ikan. Ikan is a fish. Okay. Intan, what do you see in these pictures? Okay, people. There is a woman and there is a man. And then, if you see the pictures, what do you think of your mind? What picture is this? Apa yang terbenak di pikiranmu? Gambar apa ini? Legenda, the legend. So, kalau kita bercerita legenda, melihat legenda, what do you think? What is the type of text is this? Jenis teks apa ini? Narrative. Who knows what is the definition of the narrative text? Okay, Karen?
Narrative text is the text that tell a moment happened in the past.
Okay, that happened in the past. A moment that's happened in the past. Sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lalu. Berarti legenda ini kan Danau Toba. Danau Toba itu berarti terjadi in the past. Okay, before we continue to the next one, sebelum itu kita mau peregangan dulu ya. Kita mau melakukan ice breaking. You, part of you, invite in a group. Kalian satu grup, berdua, dan di tengah kalian ada a pen. Nah, if I say clap, you must clap your hand. Clap, clap, clap. Nah, if I say boom, boom to your table. Boom, boom, boom. Nah, are you ready? If I say pen, you must take your pen. Okay? Break your pen. Okay, nah. Before that, stand up please. Hands up. Okay, clap. 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 Boom. 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 Pen. Can you grab the pen? Okay, thank you. Now, I will classify you into the group. Miss akan membuat kalian berkelompok. Kita akan role play. Do you know what is role play mean? What is role play?
Acting.
Yes, itu bermain peran. Bermain peran. Jadi di pelajaran kita ini ada yang namanya the legend. So you guys akan bermain peran sesuai dengan materi yang kita pelajari hari ini. Okay, this one is A group, B group, C group, and D group. Everyone you have, kalian itu mempunyai perannya masing-masing. For example, you as a Toba, you as a mother, and you guys sing. Kalian juga sama. Jadi ada yang menjadi pemeran Toba, ada yang menjadi pemeran ikan, ada yang menjadi anak si Toba. Are you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, before you sebelum kalian bermain peran, coba kita sama-sama menyaksikan dulu tayangan video tentang Danau Toba. Oke, let's see.
In a valley in Sumatra, there lived a farmer named Toba. He was a diligent farmer, but unfortunately, his harvest was not always bountiful, and he often went hungry. Because of his hunger, Toba went fishing in the river. He waited a long time and became desperate. When Toba was just about to go home, suddenly something tugged on his fishing line. Toba was excited and started reeling in his fishing line. Wow, that's a big fish, said Toba. Sure enough, at the end of the line was a large gold scaly fish. Toba immediately brought the fish home to cook. At home, Toba was disappointed because all of his firewood had been used up. There's no firewood here. I better go look for some in the fields. Toba, who was working in the fields, was shocked to see the flood coming towards him. What's this water? Why is this happening? He didn't have time to escape. Toba drifted and sank into the flood. Soon the surge flooded the entire valley and left only the top of the hill in the middle where Samoset was hidden. The flood had created a lake, and Samoset became an island. That is why the lake is named Lake Toba, and the island in the middle is called Samoset.
Okay, now we have finished to watch this one. After we watch the story about the legend, who knows what is the conclusion of this video? Siapa yang tahu apa kesimpulan dari Danau Toba tersebut? Okay, Meiji.
Like Toba's legend tells of a man who caught a magical fish,
Yes.
turned into a beautiful woman.
Yes.
They married and have a promise, but Toba forget about his promise.
Okay, give applause to our friends. That's good. You have a clear explanation. Good job, Meiji. Okay, next. Okay, make the group. Silahkan buat kelompok masing-masing dan bermain peran. Apakah kamu sebagai Miki, sebagai si Toba? Okay, make the group. So, this is a paper untuk sheet kalian ya, untuk tugas kalian. Jadi berkelompok mengerjakan tugas yang saya berikan. Oke, ini untuk group B, group C, and group D. Oke, please discuss. Please discuss. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Where's your pen? Yeah. Okay. Right down here. Okay, that's all for our material today. Who knows what is the conclusion of our lesson for today? Siapa yang tahu apa kesimpulan dari pembelajaran kita hari ini? Azam. Okay? Here. What is?
Cerita yang terjadi di masa lampau atau in the past.
Okay, good job. Give a clap to your friends. Okay.
For example, Sampuraga,
Yeah.
Malibunya,
Yeah.
sama Batu Menangis nih.
Okay, give a clap. Okay, Karen.
The conclusion is the definition of narrative text. Type of text tell a moment in the happened in the past, and then the example of narrative text is Malin Kundang, Salpurian, Rock Crying, Like Toba, and at each other.
Oke, give it a Oke, I think that's all for our method today. Jadi kesimpulannya naratif itu adalah the story that happened in the past. Jadi kejadian yang terjadi di masa lalu.